Immigration Detention Center, where illegal alien groups are putting on a protest car rally. Patriots, in support of ICE, are staging.
Self-deport! Go home, lawbreaker! Go home! Go home, lawbreaker! Lawbreakers, is that your IQ?
Please support ICE!
Lawbreakers! Lawbreakers! Lawbreakers, go home!
Lawbreakers, go home!
We support ICE!
We support ICE!
We support ICE!
That bastard, his thumb is supposed to be out. He's got it down.
Lawbreakers! Lawbreakers!
We love ICE!
We love ICE!
More ICE!
More ICE!
More ICE!
More ICE! More ICE!
Lawbreakers!
Is that your man?
We love ICE! We love ICE! We love ICE! We love this parade supports ICE! This parade!
I have my, yeah, of course. Let me give it to you right now. I'm with NBC Palm Springs.
NBC Palm Springs.
Yeah. Drove 2 hours here.
Wow. Congratulations.
Are you guys from the high desert?
Some of us are.
Oh, okay.
What is your name?
Regina.
Regina?
Yeah.